Well, hello everyone out there. I'm Derek,
And I'm Solanda.
and welcome back to our channel.
We
We
be
be
tripping.
tripping. This is day 36 of 53 days at sea, and we are. What are we, babe?
We're headed to Barcelona. I don't know what you're
Yeah,
thinking
we're
about.
we're we're headed to Barcelona.
Yes.
This was a sea day. So slept in late. Got we went to brunch around noon ish. I had steak, eggs, and toast. I didn't have my cheese grits today. I don't know if they forgot to bring it to me or if I didn't order it, but didn't have the cheese grit. That kind of set my meal was kind of off balance with the apple juice. It was okay. I missed the grits, but I also had the muffin, the blueberry muffin, which is becoming my favorite. I first time trying it on the ship on this cruise, and I'm enjoying that blueberry muffin. It's really nice, delicious. What did you have?
I had smoked salmon and bagels. It was great.
Okay, huh?
It was great.
Great, great two. That's the ranking for the smoked salmon and whatever she had. Two, horrible. You
No,
know,
you should try it. I'm
I'm
telling you.
may not even be a legitimate meal. I think it's illegal. So we after we finished brunch, went up to Lido. They had some games and stuff. Got some sun. Then we came down to five to just to relax. Went to the room, relaxed, and I packed my things because we have to get off the ship. This is the last night on this cruise. And so people are walking around there kind of maybe they're in a bad mood or whatever because they have to leave. Um, and what were you saying that the what?
The boat goes into wet
Wet
dock
dock
for
tomorrow.
2 days.
2 days.
So we
Yeah.
get off and we'll get a hotel in Barcelona for 2 days.
Yeah.
Enjoy Barcelona. I
Mm-hmm.
can't wait to party with Shawan,
Yeah.
Travis, and Elantra. They'll be
Shawan,
here
Travis, and Elantra are
tomorrow.
meeting us tomorrow in
Yes.
Barcelona. So
The
we're
crew is
putting the
back.
band back together. That's right. That's right. That's right. So that's what we're excited for. Uh, and then hey, so people are walking around. They're looking sad. But I mean, hey, you've enjoyed time. You got to get off these people's ship. You know what I'm saying? Go home. You do something. I mean, well, what I'm saying? You ain't got to go home, but you got to go somewhere. But you know what I'm saying? Hey, this thing is over. I mean, personally, I'm tired of seeing this
Stop
little
it.
group of
Only thing
customers,
I'm just glad the dog. Hopefully the dog ain't on the next cruise, but
I'm telling you.
she all in dinner at the
I'm
dining
telling
table
you.
with the dog. I
With the
mean,
dog.
and I think Carnival, since they allow the dog on, they need to do extra cleaning behind the dog.
Right.
Like once they leave, don't just set the table again.
Yeah.
Clean up.
Yeah.
Disinfect. Come on now.
Yeah.
And
It's a
she
dog.
pushes the dog to the table like it's the baby.
Right.
Like it's ridiculous.
And she feels strongly about that dog because she's had a problem. She's had an issue behind the dog, and she sided with the dog. So, um, hey, yeah,
Besides that, I see in the group that a lot of people are giving things away, and that's because like I told Derek, I don't think people take into consideration when they have to fly from the port to home,
mm,
they accumulate a lot of stuff. And on these sea cruises, Carnival been gifting a lot of items.
yeah,
And it's also what is a ultra cruise?
hmm,
So they get gifts too. So now it's time to get rid of all the gifts and all the extra stuff that you done accumulated. People giving away bottles of liquor,
yeah,
earplugs, fans. I saw
yeah,
somebody giving away a fan that come off of Amazon. It's a lot.
yeah, yeah,
So you got to take into consideration. But I heard one lady say she bring the extra luggage
hmm,
because she know, she'll be going home with more than she brought on.
yeah. Yeah, that's hope there, because
Well, my luggage is kind of heavy, and I don't know how
we mean how
because I haven't been shopping.
it was heavy when you came here,
But it still
and
was
like you
the
said,
limit.
Carnival is giving that shit. You have bought some stuff since you've been in.
Whatever.
Okay, all right. Well,
Not really.
I mean, hey, tell it to the airline. Hey, you don't listen to me. So hey, you know. So, I mean, other than that, can you think of anything else?
No, but it's time for you. Oh, you think I was about to say it's time for you to start packing. You finish your luggage.
Yeah, I'm packed. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about what I do. I'm done. You
Yeah,
know,
I didn't pay attention, so I hope you have clothes for in the morning.
you was right there. What do you mean you didn't pay attention? You was right there when I was packing.
But I don't pay attention to you.
I know you didn't. I know you didn't. I know you didn't.
You just better wish you have clothes.
You paid attention for
But
yours
you
to
can.
be extra heavy, right? Right.
I'm gonna
Anyway,
take care of my luggage.
so other than that, oh, we went to. Did we say tell them already? We went to dinner.
No.
Yeah, we went to dinner, and at dinner, I had I had some type of melon, aged ham and melon. No, the melon was aged or something. But
Sunbright
anyway,
melon.
sunright melon and was it aged ham, Italian ham, something like that. It was okay. I don't think I'll be ordering it again. Wasn't nasty, but it's not for me. That was the appetizer, and I had some type of chicken um, that I won't be ordering again either. But hey, what did you have for? So my dinner, I'll give it about a six, about a six. What did you have?
I had the sunbright melon also, but I had enchiladas, and it was good.
Hmm.
For entree, I ordered beef Wellington. I had it a couple of days ago, and it was good, but the second time, not so much. So I don't think I'll
Hmm.
be messing with that again.
Yeah.
they
So
got me. They got me the first time.
what would you rate it?
I give it about a 6.
About a six? Oh, six together, huh? And a two for the brunch?
No, your brunch was a 2.
Yeah, your brunch was a two.
No, my brunch was not a
Anyway,
2.
so I mean that's about it. Like I said, it's kind of people they walking around moping. I don't understand. These people don't owe you anything. Hey, you paid your
But I hear a
money.
lot of people
They
ready to
gave you a
go.
good
They done did
time.
15 days and they ready to
Yeah,
go. So
yeah. Go home. You know what I'm saying? Let the rest of the people that's still cruising, let them enjoy the rest of this.
the good thing about
You
this
know.
cruise was we made every port. We went to every port.
Yeah.
And it turned out the weather was better than last cruise.
Yeah.
The weather
Yeah.
was better. So
How you doing?
hopefully it stay the same.
Yeah. So hey, it is what it is. But
And they have a man on here, he been dancing since he stepped foot. I
yeah.
don't care if he hear music,
Since he gave him
he's
his
the running man
passport, yeah, he
in place.
same run, different songs.
Yes.
Same run, different genres. If you understand what I'm saying. Oh, yeah, it's been kicks. Yeah,
Yeah, it have.
yeah, he
So,
yeah he should be cramping. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. So I don't know.
but
Last
overall, it's
dance.
been a good cruise.
Yeah, I think it was. It really was. But I mean, that's about it. Huh? I mean, you
That's
don't
about
have
it.
anything else. So hey. So until next time, keep
Keep
tripping.
tripping.